Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this lesson, lesson 13, we are going to discuss the scope and syntax of defer and how it can be used in your Go programs. Let's start. In Go, a defer statement postpones the running of a function, including any parameters, until the function that contains the defer statement finishes. Generally, we defer a function when we want to avoid forgetting about tasks like closing a file or running a cleanup processes. We can defer as many functions as we want, and the defer statement run in reverse order, from last to first. Let's start by looking at the basic syntax of defer. To use defer, we simply place the keyword before a function call. For example, let's say that we have a function print that we want to execute after the surrounding function has completed. We can use the defer like this. Let's write a simple example to see how defer works. In this example, we have a function print numbers that simply prints the number we use defer to call another function, print done, after print numbers has completed. Let's test the code. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. In the console, we can see the number and then the message done. This means that the print done function is called after the print numbers function. This is possible thanks to the defer keyword. In more complex scenarios, we may need to use defer with multiple function calls. For example, let's say we are working with a file, and we want to ensure that the file is closed regardless or wherever an error occurs where we are working with it. We can use defer to call the file.close function after we are done working with the file. In this example, the file.close function will be called after the surrounding function, meaning the main function, has completed, regardless or wherever any error occurs while working with the file. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new videos that I will upload, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.